Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make beef goulash. First, select about 2 pounds of chuck roast, which is perfect for slow cooking and develops incredible flavor. Cut your beef into roughly 1 1/2 inch cubes to ensure they cook evenly. Next, heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a large pot over medium-high heat. Brown the beef in batches until each piece has a deep, rich color on all sides. This step is crucial for building a strong flavor base. After browning the beef, remove it and add 2 large, chopped onions to the pot, cooking until softened and translucent. Then, stir in 3 minced cloves of garlic and 3 tablespoons of sweet paprika, cooking for about 1 minute until fragrant. Be careful not to burn the paprika. Deglaze the pot with 1 cup of beef broth or a dry red wine, scraping up all those flavorful bits from the bottom. This liquid will become part of your delicious sauce. Now, return the browned beef to the pot. Add 2 cups of crushed tomatoes, 1 bay leaf, and 1 teaspoon of caraway seeds, which are essential for that classic goulash flavor. Stir everything together, ensuring the beef is mostly submerged. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let it cook for 2 to 3 hours. The beef should become incredibly tender, easily shredding with a fork. Once the beef is tender, remove the bay leaf. Taste the goulash and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper as needed. If you prefer a thicker sauce, you can mix 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of cold water to create a slurry, then stir it into the simmering goulash until it thickens. Serve your rich beef goulash over egg noodles, mashed potatoes, or with crusty bread. Don't forget to check the description for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.